Sunday, March 22nd. Here's the Astro Excel pattern for the coming week. You can see the green line is in bullish territory between plus 10 and plus 25 all the way until the close of the day session Wednesday, when it starts to turn down. Goes below the zero line till 2200 on the 26th, and then a slow drift through Friday where it's just hovering around the zero line. So we've got slightly bullish pressure the first 3 days of the week. I've also marked an expected swing forecast on this chart with the blue arrows. That forecast is based on the trading day chart, the 6.5 hour trading day chart of the S&P, not the 24-hour price chart. But this is what the general pattern for the coming week should look like with the downswing. And you can see the time periods here where the swing should pivot. And this is kind of also the expected amplitude, with the highest price of the week coming early on the 26th near the open. So that's what it looks like. We'll see how it plays out, and we'll be back with another forecast next week.